TG292 bearing cup installer installs bearing cups on cars, light-duty pickups, medium-duty trucks, and farm equipment. The TG292 installs 2 bearing cups in one procedure. First, the mechanic places bearing cup number 2 onto the built-in magnet provided opposite the forcing screw. The tool is placed over the yoke, inserting bearing cup number 2 into position. Next, bearing cup number 1 is positioned immediately adjacent to the stationary plunger at the end of the forcing screw. By hand, the forcing screw is tightened until the tool is sufficiently held in position on its own. Now, using a hand or impact wrench, the forcing screw is rotated while the mechanic uses his free hand to slidably center the U-joint cross, equally between each of the 2 bearing cups, to ensure that the needle bearings are held into position by the trunnions of the U-joint cross. The forcing screw is rotated until bearing cup number 1 is positioned sufficiently in place to allow for the installation of the first retaining clip. Then, the mechanic simply removes the tool and repositions 180 degrees opposite bearing cup number 1. The process is repeated until bearing cup number 2 is also positioned sufficiently in place to allow for the installation of the second retaining clip. The job is completed easily and professionally in minutes.